Okay everyone, single seed potato challenge 2024. What I'm doing is I've got all my seedlings, I've got 4 of them, so I'm going to grow 3 in these 35 litre containers and 1 in this potato tower. I'm using Miracle-Gro peat-free premium all-purpose compost, and I'm also using organic potato fertiliser. So I've got a couple of inches of compost and the potato fertiliser at the bottom of the tub, and I'm just going to take out you can see it's already got some nice little tubers on it already, so put that there. Add some more compost, and what I'll do is I'll lift these up as they get bigger. I hope I haven't left them in these pots for too long, these little pots. So these will stay at the house. I'll see if I can protect them from the rabbits and the cats that are constantly coming in the garden now. I'm just going to add more compost until the tips of the plant are shown, and hopefully that will allow the plant to get some energy from the sun and grow strong and quick. And what I'll do is I'll earth the plant up as it grows along, but I'm going to try and keep these here at the home and keep them separate from the potatoes at the potato plot. One of the reasons for that is that if we get blight at the allotment, then hopefully these won't be affected. So this one I'm going to be growing in this potato tower. I've had this for a few years now and I've had mixed success with it, but I thought it's worth a try now. So what you do is, as usual, I'm just going to plant it up as normal, leaving the tip showing. Then I'm just going to add extra collars on so I can earth it up. So it's like that at the minute with just the tip showing, and I'll add another collar. Then when it gets to the top of that, I'll earth it up again and add another collar. Now I've got 3 of these collars, so hopefully it will grow different potatoes all the way through the different collars in the potato tower. But yeah, I just hope I haven't left it too late to transition these. I've just been very busy recently. From the small pots into the large pots, and I hope they do okay. But there's other things I could have done. I could have took cuttings from the potatoes and things like that, but this is just to be a bit of fun really, and if I'm going to put too much work into it, then there's not going to be any fun in it. It's just a little competition to keep things interesting for the year. We still don't know what variety these potatoes are. We'll be told at the end of the challenge, and Steve will all give our reveal our numbers to Steve, and Steve will reveal all the details about who's won and who's not done so well. And yeah, it's just a bit of fun. There is a prize at the end, but mainly it's just for the fun. So this is the last one. I'll get this over, then all I've got to do, I'm going to give them a bit more feed and water them. Okay, so that's Single Seed Potato Challenge 2024. I'm just going to leave them now to grow, and I'll show you any progress later on next month.